म्हटल्यार जे कोण एलिगेशन करपी तांकां आर्किओलॉजीचो रुल्स खबर ना. 100 मिटर पासून आसता. इट इज अ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया. I have constructed my bungalow beyond 100 meter, which is a regulated area. There are the two things: restricted area where you cannot construct a new houses. If it is a beyond 100 meter, which is a regulated area, you can always ask for the permission. You can obtain the permission from archaeology and you can construct it. The people who are making the allegation on me, that is on the, because they don't know the rules. If they have any still they doubt, they feel that if I have constructed my house illegally, let them approach to the concerned authority and take the appropriate action.
Now this member Safe Goa Old Goa Action Committee also has asked, demanded for an immediate
If
master
these people
plan.
are from Old Goa, can you name me one single person who called to be a Old Goa Safe Committee? Is there any member from the local panchayat? Then enough. These are all outsiders. How they will have the local interest? I am staying there. I am having more interest of the Old Goa because that is my village. I have to keep it clean.
So master plan na जे विषय झाला
No, master plan we are doing it, but it is in the process also. We are doing it, and it was there in my manifesto also, because I need Old Goa to be keep clean. I don't want any illegalities. We have already Old Goa Panchayat already sent notices to all the small gadas and whatever illegal thing. Already sent the notices. Some demolition orders are been issued.